How to add GIFs to your Shopify website. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can add a GIF to your Shopify website, like what I show you here. I'll show you how to make them between sections, which means that they will have their own section here with the custom liquid section. I'll also show you how you can make them centered, and another is that how you can add them from your Shopify pages menu. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is, of course, to look for your desired GIF. You can look for free GIFs in jiffy.com or other GIF websites. Alternatively, I'm pretty sure you can also upload your own GIF, but that would be just the same as adding any other picture in your Shopify, so we won't cover that in this video. So when you're ready, just go to jiffy.com to search for free GIFs. In this case, I'm using jiffy.com, but again, you can use other GIFs. Let's choose Jason Momoa here, which is acting kind of cute. All right, so when you've chosen your GIF, you want to click the embed menu on Jiffy. And in this embed GIF menu, you can either make the GIF responsive or you can make the GIF off. This responsiveness means that whether or not you want to make your GIF customizable for you later on. In this case, I'm just going to turn it off at the moment. And next step is click copy code. All right, so now once we have our GIF embed code copied, we can go ahead and add them to our website. All right, so to do that, let's firstly, I will show you the first method, which is to edit from your Shopify dashboard here. Okay, so first step is click online store and click pages. And in the pages menu, you can look. Here will be a list of your pages. In this case, I only have one page, so I'll click my only page here. But in your case, you might have another page available to you. Okay, so this GIF page will be able to be edited from your dashboard, as you can see here. Now, if you want to add a GIF, you click the Show HTML button here on the rightmost of the editor. Go ahead and click it, and you can paste whatever GIF that you want from the embed link that we've added, that we've got from Jiffy. Okay, so when we go back to the editor view, as you can see, now we have our Jason Momoa GIF present. This works especially well if you have texts in your pages and you want to add your GIF between texts. So for example here, let's say this will be a meme page. So let's add our reaction to your checkout maybe. And then let's add thanks for stopping by. Now, for example, you have this, maybe you have a page that will be displayed after a customer checks out from your Shopify store. So you want to add a GIF here. So let's see it from the customer's point of view, which is the GIF, the view page over here. Okay, so it does take time to load. It's all right. So let's first save them. Okay, so now if you have a page like this, all right, it does take some time to load indeed. All right, so if you want to add GIFs in between texts or scripts that you have in your page, this is the method to go. Okay, so once we've pasted our GIF, sorry. So now we go to show HTML, and as you can see, this will be your text here. Now what you want to do is just add your snippet of your embed code of GIF in between texts, in between the texts. The P elements here are only the containers for the HTML, so you shouldn't worry about it. You can just read it as a normal text. Okay, so once we've go to our editor, we are successfully added our GIF in between texts. Now, you can go ahead and and delete the via Jiffy link if you wish to do so. I think I much prefer it because Jiffy will be displayed anyway in the GIF when a customer interacts with it. All right, so let's click save and let's view page here. I hope it's updated now. Okay, so sure enough, it's updated. Now that's the first method that I want to show you. The second method is right directly into the website editor. Now, in the website editor, as I've shown you, for example, we want to add a GIF in our footer so it will be shown in the entire page, no matter where your customer is in the page of your Shopify store. So to do that, let's just go ahead and go to the sections menu, and for example, I want to add the GIF to footer. So let's go ahead and add section to footer. And the section that we want to be added is the custom liquid section. So let's go ahead and click that. Now in this custom liquid, this acts about the same as previously. This is just a section that you can put embed codes in. As you know from my other videos, you can also add embed maps, maybe embed tables if you so wish. In this case, we'll use it for GIF. So let's paste the GIF's embed code in the liquid code container. Now, as you can see, you can have your GIF in between sections instead of text in within one section. Again, if you want to delete the via Jiffy, you can do so by deleting the text over here, and that should take care of it. Now, another tip is that if you want to make it a bit center, or you want to make it have a margin, you can just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for help. So what I did is that I asked ChatGPT to make it centered. So that's exactly what ChatGPT said. Let's ask them to do for our current GIF. So do the same for this, and we can just copy paste from ChatGPT. All right, so let's go back to our customizer and replace our previous embed with the code that ChatGPT has generated. Now, sure enough, I have my GIF centered. Okay, so that is all from me. I hope this helps. Happy selling. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to click save when you're done.